Imagine a wine merchant who prides himself on fast delivery. He believes every bottle reaches the customer in 2 days. But in reality, customers are complaining about delays. He sees the start and the end, but the middle is a black box. He asks himself, where's my process actually breaking? And this is where process mining comes into play. Process mining tries to solve this fundamental problem. As defined by Professor Will van der Aalst, the godfather of this field, process mining bridges the critical gap between the traditional data science and business process management. It is not just about reporting on what happened yesterday. It is about using your own data to reconstruct reality, turning invisible digital footprints into a visible living model of your business through event logs, for example. Normally, we all like to imagine our business process follows a happy path. It's meant as a straight line from start to finish. Means order, pack, ship, and done. But when we zoom out and look at the actual data from thousands of historical cases, the illusion shatters. We see rework, we see loops, we see deviations we didn't know even existed. One order takes 3 steps, another takes 20. This complexity is where your profit margin disappears. Reality is messy, and for the first time we can see it clearly now with process mining. So how does process mining work? And how can we turn all this chaos into clarity? For this we don't need interviews or workshops. We just need the event log. Every time an employee clicks a button, register order, check stock, approve, your IT systems leave a digital footprint with a timestamp. Process mining algorithms read millions of these footprints instantly and connect the dots, case by case, tracing every movement to reconstruct the actual process map automatically. It's like an MRI scan for your processes. Once we have this map, we can audit against our rules. This is called conformance checking, the other crucial part for process mining. Let's say your policy requires a credit check for every order over 500 euros. In a model, that step is mandatory. But look at this specific case. We can see it skipped the check entirely and jump straight to the accept. In the past, this risky violation would be buried in a spreadsheet. But now the system flags in real time, allowing auditors to stop compliance risk before they become penalties for your business. But compliance is only the half of the battle. We also need efficiency. By analyzing the timestamps between the steps, we can see the friction. Watch the flow here. You can physically see the cases piling up at the check step. This is a bottleneck. It's not just a slow step, it's a dam holding back your entire revenue stream. We can pinpoint exactly how much time is lost here, and more importantly, why is it happening. Finally, we bring these insights together in a process analytics dashboard. This isn't a static report, it's a command center. We can overlay performance metrics like heat maps to see the health of the organization at a glance. We can use performance metrics like the throughput time to see at which times it takes the longest and what were the bottlenecks. Notice, the check step is glowing red. We don't just guess that it's slow, the data proves this single step is adding an average delay of 2 full days to every single order. This insight changes the conversation. Instead of arguing about opinions, managers can focus on fixing the root causes. This is the power of process mining, turning hidden data and event logs into actionable business value.